Here's a 2001 Ford F-350 extended cab Lariat 4x4 off-road package. Diesel powered 7.3 liter diesel underneath hood that's paired up with an automatic transmission. Of course, your modern equipment, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Let's take a look at the front bumper, grill. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actually a Southern truck, a little over 105,000 miles is all. Check out all the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. 507-386-1726. Riding on Toyo radials, you can see. Plenty of tread left on those. Nerf bars. Neutral leather interior. Bucket seats up front. Center console. Heated seats. Again, the Lariat package, so nicely equipped. Of course, it's an extended cab 4-door, so the back quarter doors do open on both sides. Spray-in bed liner and a fifth wheel plate. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation also. Take a look at the rear of it. Of course, your tow package there also as far as a receiver for a hitch. And if you noticed on the passenger side, just around the wheel wells, very clean, down lower rockers, cab corners. Nothing to hide on this one. And again, take your time looking through the still pictures, probably 100 pictures or so of this truck online, uniqueclassiccars.com. We'll start it up real quick. I'm inside here, so I don't want to let it run too long, but we'll start it up quick. Pop the hood, let you check that out so you can hear it run also. But first, let's take a little closer look at the interior. Of course, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power seat, driver's side, and then heated seats both sides. Rear seating area. No rips or tears. I mean, your typical kind of wear in the natural hide with the leather where it starts to wrinkle, where it kind of bends and folds when you're sitting in it. Of course, tilt column. Cruise control. Again, all your modern amenities. Does have electric brake controller down there. There's your exact miles, 105,571. And again, clean Carfax, Southern truck. Radio working, AM, FM, 6 CD changer. And no check engine lights, anything like that. It's just a door ajar down here since I have the doors open and the seatbelt light. Otherwise, everything looking good on the dash. Headliner's good. I'm going to pause this real quick, pop this hood, and we'll check out the engine bay. So 2001 Ford F-350 extended cab, 4 doors, Lariat 4x4, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, a little over 105,000 miles. Uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. Phone number 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2001 Ford F-350. This is a diesel, automatic on the column, with an overdrive override. AC is working. Very good power in this truck. Good sounding diesel. A little bit of a thump from one tire. It might just be a flat spot. Smooth ride from the suspension. All our gauges appear to be working. Temperature is at a quarter, probably still warming up. Oil pressure is a little over half, and the battery is a little over half. Radio works good. Got what looks like leather seats that say Lariat. Brakes work good. Let's take some corners here. Very good condition work truck. Very comfortable truck, easy to drive. Good features. Check out this Ford F-350 at uniqueclassiccars.com. GoPro, stop capturing.